Good morning, student. As you know that half-yearly exam has been finished. So today I am going to start final syllabus. So let's see what are the final chapters. Final syllabus. Chapter number 7. New trends on World Wide Web. Next is chapter number 8. Introduction to Visual Programming. Clear, children? And chapter number 9, VB.NET, Delving D. Clear? So these are 3 chapters that will come in your final exam. So today I am going to take chapter number 7, New Trends on World Wide Web. Clear? Before starting, I just want to revise some previous chapter. Children, I have provided you class for creating web page, formattings and JavaScript, VB scripts. Okay, so these all the class are helpful to create or develop the web page. Clear? Web page means any page which is of the site that is known as web page, or any site page, any website page is known as web page. First page is known as home page. Clear? So in this chapter we will discuss about some topics which are related to the transactions, electronic transactions. Okay, e-commerce, m-commerce and net banking. These are e-commerce, m-commerce and net banking. Children, before starting, in previous time we just purchase anything we go to market and purchase the goods. Okay, but in this time you have seen people give the order of pizza and buying the books, household things in a online. Okay, so today buying things, books, household items, shoes and booking the airlines flights and hotel rooms, okay, and holiday travels packages over the internet is totally based on mobile phone and internet. Clear? So let's take first topic is e-commerce. E-commerce. What is e-commerce? Buying and selling things and services using computer and internet is called electronic commerce. Clear, children? Again I am repeating. What is e-commerce? Buying and selling things and services using computers and internet is called as e-commerce or electronic commerce. Clear? This is provide the payment mode. All kinds of payment mode means you can purchase the goods and services by using your bank account, okay, or debit card, credit card, okay, and net banking. Any kind of payment mode you can choose for buying and selling goods. Clear? Online site provide you payment features where buyers can enter their payment details like card number or bank account number in a secured way. Okay? Buyers also enter their addresses. Okay. Once a payment is done, the item is get scheduled to be dispatched to the buyer's addresses, and we get the item delivered at our doorstep. Clear, children? So this is the electronic commerce. Buying and selling things and services using computer is known as electronic commerce. The services that authorizes all modes of online payments is called payment gateway. Clear? What is payment gateway? What is payment gateway? Payment gateway means the services that authorizes all modes of online payment is called payment gateway. Clear? So this is the e-commerce. over the internet and computer you can sell and purchase anything or services. Next is m-commerce. What is m-commerce? M-commerce. M-commerce means buying and selling. Buying and selling things and services over cellular network and internet. Cellular network and internet using mobile device is called m-commerce. Clear, children? So what is m-commerce? M-commerce means buying and selling things and services over cellular network. Clear? What is cellular network and internet using mobile device is known as m-commerce. Okay? So this is the m-commerce. See the picture of m-commerce? This one. This is the m-commerce picture. Clear? All the things and services sale and purchase using the mobile phone. Clear? So this is the m-commerce. Next topic is in the m-commerce for various product services apps and available. Okay, in this time different kinds of app available available in the Google Play Store and many apps, App Bazaar, etc. You can just download the apps like for purchasing medicine. You can purchase the apps Flipkart and Amazon and different kinds of app available in the market, home shop. Okay, so you just have to download the app and you can purchase particular goods or services by the app. All the settings and all the instructions have given in the app. Okay, and many companies also build own apps. Okay, and upload on the internet like LIC. Okay, and marketing apps. Okay, they provide the services time to time and you just have to, they also upload their product pics and their videos, cost, everything they just upload on the internet and you have to purchase, you have to watch the videos, you can also searching and surfing of that particular images of product and apps also and videos also, and you can anticipate of the product price and product cost and product quality also. Okay, so over the internet by these apps. So these apps are very helpful to suggest particular product, which product you want to take. Clear, children? So this is the m-commerce, and you just have to download the app and purchase a product. Clear? Next is net banking. What is net banking? Net banking, by the net banking you can online pay anything like electronic bill, gas bill. Okay, and any payment mode you can choose. Okay, the days of standing in long queues of depositing monies in our accounts and withdrawing the money are over. Okay, in olden time we just we go to the bank and we make a queue and then we can withdraw the money. But in this time we just click on particular, give the our ID and password and purchase the transfer the money one account to another account, and also we can purchase the goods by the payment mode. Just scan the cards, okay, debit card or credit card. Okay children, so today most of the transactions related to money easily done from the comfort of our homes or while we are moving or traveling anywhere. Okay, we have not to need to carry whole the time with huge amount of cash. We just carry our small card and we transfer the money. Okay, so now, so this has been possible due to highly secure feature provided by the bank is called net banking. Clear children? Security is a big issue in online payment. So for the security reason, data is encrypted. Encryption means, you know what is encryption? Encryption means data is coded in and nobody can see your data. Okay, so data is secured by the encryption mode. So then data is encrypted while it is transferred online. Clear? So data is encrypted while it is transferred online. The next is encryption is done scrambling the information. Scrambling means hide. Okay, encryption is done for the scrambling purpose. Scrambling means hide the information, confidential information. Okay, this is done by a protocol called SSL, means Secure Socket Layer. Clear children? A protocol is using for scrambling which is known as SSL, Secure Socket Layer. Clear? Net banking allows you to connect with our bank using a highly secured password and access our account. Okay, so you must have to have your own ID and password. Clear? And confirmation is also asked from the banking whenever you want to transfer the money. Okay, so making online payment or transfer money one account is another account is done easily and securely using net banking. Okay, it is also safe to transfer money one account to another account. To use this feature, user go to the bank's website or launch mobile app to login into their accounts. Okay, all the e-commerce and m-commerce websites allows you to use net banking for making payments. Clear children? So this is the net banking. Clear? Here a ID and password. Okay, you have to give. Clear children? Next is digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing. Digital marketing. The process of reaching out to the people and customers with the information of product and services over the internet, mainly through social media and emails, is called digital marketing. Clear children? So in digital marketing, all the buyers, sellers upload their product to reach for the market, and seller also have a big market to choose a product. Clear? This is the digital marketing on the internet. Clear children? So both have the benefit. Seller has benefit to acquire a big and huge market, and buyer also have a benefit to choose different kinds of goods and services. Okay, they have choice. So this is the digital marketing. Websites track our buyers' behaviors and browsing habits in various ways while we are online, and then reach us with specific advertisement and interest us. You see a lot of advertisement and promotional messages. Clear? While watching the television, advertisements are found in newspaper, magazines. Also, we also see advertisement in form of banners, posters and pamphlets in marketplace. Clear? How do online sellers reach us to the sell their goods and services? They use online medium to do so. Okay? We receive promotional mails in our email account. When we go online to use social media like Facebook, Twitter, a variety of promotional materials and advertisement are displayed. Many times we get irritating pop-ups while surfing the World Wide Web. So sometimes it is irritable also, but it provides the benefit to surf different kinds of product. Okay, so digital marketing is beneficial for us. Children, in next class I will take some another topics of this chapter like cloud computing, online learning, internet of things, artificial intelligence and robots, etc. etc. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.